Good day. Can you tell me about yourself?
Hello, ma'am. Hello, sir. My name is Mary Lani Mata, 31 years old. I am a single parent. I have one daughter. She is 11 years old. I am an undergraduate. I have four brothers and three sisters, and I am the youngest in the family. I live in Lapu-Lapu, Cebu City.
How would you describe yourself?
I am honest, cheerful, hardworking person, and I can work under pressure without less supervision. I know how to cook Chinese foods like steamed fish, stir-fried vegetables, and salads.
Why do you want to apply for a job abroad?
I want to apply abroad because I want to support my family in their needs, and I want to support my daughter to her school.
Who will take care of your daughter if you work abroad?
My mother will take care of my daughter.
What will you do if you become homesick?
I will make myself busy, and I will try many things in the house.
How long do you want to work with your employer?
I worked with my employer in 2 years, and I finished my contract in Hong Kong. My duties are...
Do you have any work experience in Hong Kong or overseas?
Yes, ma'am. I have an overseas experience in Hong Kong. I finished my contract for 2 years. My duties are cooking, cleaning, ironing, and washing clothes. I serve 4 members of the family with 1 couple, 1 child, and their grandparents, and the child is 1.5 years old.
Are you willing to take care of small kids, newborn babies, or elderly persons?
Yes, ma'am, I'm very much willing.
How would you take care of naughty kids and kids with temper tantrums?
I will be attentive to the kids, and I will teach them how to color, writing, and reading, singing, and dancing.
Are you patient in taking care of small children?
Yes, ma'am.
How about if the newborn baby is crying at night?
When the baby is crying at night, I will check if the baby is hungry. I will feed them milk. If the baby is crying, I also check the diaper is full and I change the diaper. And when the baby is sick, I will call my employer immediately.
Do you know how to prepare a formula milk for the baby?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you know how to give bath to the newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to wake up early in the morning and sleep late at night?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am, I'm not scared.
Do you have any food allergies?
I don't have food allergies, ma'am.
Do you eat everything?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you sing for me a nursery song for the kids?
Yes, ma'am. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes.
Do you have the full consent of your family to go and work abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you promise not to use your cell phone during working hours?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you promise to be honest and loyal to your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you drink alcohol?
No, ma'am.
How about smoking?
No, ma'am.
Any body tattoo?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any history of surgery or serious sickness in the past?
No, ma'am.
Are you willing to share room with the kids or with other helpers at home?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to work during your day off and employer will pay you overtime?
Yes, ma'am.
What is your final message to your future employer?
Hi, ma'am. Hi, sir. My name is Mary Lani Mata, 31 years old. I have 1 kid. I want to work abroad for my future of my family. I am cheerful, honest, trustworthy, and hardworking person. I am promised that I will take care of your family and I will treat your children as my children too. I hope to see you soon in Hong Kong, ma'am. Bye!